So in our previous video, just we have finished external link in HTML, and in this video I'm going to continue with the link only but internal linking. As I told you before what internal linking is and how it works, how it functions, right? It takes us to some other section of the same page or different section of the page, right? So here the main thing is that how we can create internal link. So to create internal link, again we use anchor tag only, that is a, and with a here, while creating internal link, we need to define two attributes of a tag, right? One is name, 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 and the other one is href, which already we have used and we are using href, very common one, right? So name, with name attribute we define the name of the section, right? With name attribute we define the name of the section, particular section which we want to call, and with href we define, means href we call the section, specific section which we named before, right? So first we give, with name attribute we give the name to the specific section, and with href attribute we call that section by name, whatever name we have given, with that name we call. So here it is, see the syntax of this is internal linking, an example of. Now see here how we can define, how we can create internal linking. So first we use a tag, and with a tag we first of all define the section name. To define the section name we use name attribute with a tag. So here I am using name attribute with this a tag. Anchor name is equal to, within double quote we write the name of the specific section. So here it is written anchor name section, here I have given section. So better if I will write it section name. So specific section ka we need to put name of. It could be it can be anything, your name also, Rahim, Rahim ka dhaga, or whatever, right? You can give logical name, give it logical name, and then after ending this with angular bracket you need to start your contents of. It can be an image also, it can be a paragraph also, means text also. It's all depends on you, it's your choice, it's your requirement, your need. The done. Then again end with a tag, with forward slash, before forward slash then a tag. That's it. Here we named the section with name attribute. This is must to do for internal linking. Then here, so here this is the paragraph actually, right? So here I have used very in a small form only I have used, right? Afterwards I will see, we will see it in a more elaborated way. So here it is. Then now as you gave section name over here, what is the section name? Section name, right? अभी के लिए section का नाम section name से ही रखे हैं, right? You can give it any name as I told you. Now see here, now it's time to call this name with hyperlink, so that anyone, you, me, or anyone can, when click on that specific text, hyperlink text, then this paragraph will come, this section will come, right? That means while creating hyperlink we need to call this section. So how we call this section name, how we call this paragraph? So for that purpose, again you need to use a tag with href attribute here, href attribute, right? So with a tag you need to use href attribute, and then here a href is equal to, within double quote you have to write the section name. So here is, this one is section name, so write section name. So here I have not changed section name here, so I need to change here also section name, same to same section name. It can be your name also. Suppose your name is Praveen, right? So right here Praveen with P capital. This is, remember, this is not a tag, this is, you are giving the name of, so it is case sensitive then, it will be case sensitive then, right? So Praveen, but here when you are calling the name, then put one hash symbol, right? That's it. And then angular double quote close, angular bracket close, and then here this is, see, I wrote text on which we want to create link. So here it will appear what, hyperlink text you need to give. That means कोई भी टेक्स्ट यहाँ रहेगा जिस पे लिंक प्रोवाइड करना है, कि जिसको क्लिक करेंगे तो वो स्पेसिफिक पैराग्राफ आ जाए, राइट? सो हाइपरलिंक टेक्स्ट, here it is, ahref is equal to Praveen, hyperlink text, a close. Now see what will happen then. Go to file and save it, save as. Internal link.html desktop. I want to save it. Okay, here it is, internal, open with, where it is, open with, too many options are there, open with IE, so sometimes it gives confusion. See here, so I'm preparing my file actually. I'm not doing some magical thing. I'm just preparing my file. So don't be worry about. Relax, and enjoy this session and see what I'm going to do for you, some fruitful things, right? जैसा बोओगे वैसा खाओगे, तो हम चाह रहे हैं कुछ अच्छा बोए कि अच्छा खा सके. So here it is. See, so I was joking. Jokes apart. So here it is. Don't be serious about, right, and don't mind it. Then you will say I have no mind. Don't relax. So here it is, hyperlink text. So here when you will click, so you cannot be able to see the difference of, so better to write something over here, more thing. After this write BR. So here it is, I have done some magical thing, right? I just copy pasted the text from Word document, right? And there I know some formula of magical thing. I know how to create paragraph, but say no problem. So here, see, save it, and see the preview in Explorer. So press F5 for the purpose. Yes, this is right. So again I am changing the color of the section name. Here a name Praveen, and before this just give it a specific color. Font color is equal to red, size is equal to 6, and what else we can give. That's it. Here again end with font. Done. And this I need to give on this which section paragraph. Done. Then BR, one more BR, one more BR. So let it be clear over here also what we are writing. See here section paragraph, and this is actually paragraph in the same page only, right? Now here it is hyperlink text given. So when I will click on this hyperlink text, here it is. See here, this one hyperlink text is there, and इसको भी BR like that only. So here it is, hyperlink text is given. So when someone will click on this text, it will takes you to the in the same page only, but on that it will takes you to that section. So click, see here section paragraph. It means this paragraph it is showing, right? So whenever we will click on hyperlink text, here it will takes you to the same page and in this section. So this is what internal linking about, right? So I think that there will be no confusion, right? So that's it. So this I have created in the same page. This internal linking I have created in the same page. Now again, there is a there is also a method of to create internal linking in the section of some different pages, right? That means that section is not in this page, right? But the section which is in some other page, and then I need to create hyperlink so that it takes you, this hyperlink takes you to any pages to the specific section. हो सकता है कि एक और पेज में 10वां पैराग्राफ है या 50th पैराग्राफ है. So from here only the hyperlink will takes us to that page and in that specific section. Now how to create that? So for that purpose again I am creating one more page for the purpose. So here it is, I have saved with internal. Again I am saving it with internal1.html, and in the desktop only I saved it, right? This is the one, this is one more document. And here for creating internal link which takes you to the section of some other document, some other file, then again we need to define the name in a page on which we want to go while clicking, after clicking on some text, on which page you want to go, on which section, on the section on which you want to go, you need to provide its name. So here I have opened that internal file. Here I am going to create two files. One is this internal name old file, and then again second one I have created with internal one. So in this internal file the old file, here in between the paragraph only where video provides a powerful way is written. In this paragraph here I have created one name element, right? Name is equal to green. So the name of this paragraph is green, and here I have end this with A. See here A. I went this with A. Done. So this paragraph name is green, and here I have changed the color of green. This paragraph color of green I have changed to just it, so that we can see the difference. We can be able to check how it is working. So done. I have saved it. I have saved it, and then open your next file. Then open your next file, that is internal one. Open with notepad. Open with notepad. Here it is. Now here just write the text wherever you want to. Here only if I want to write ahref is equal to. So what is the name of the paragraph? There within double quote write the name of, the name was green, and how that is written, capital G or small, I think capital G and then R. Green. Just call it and write down, calling the green paragraph of the, calling the green section of internal page. That's it, and then end it with A. But here you need to write hash, include hash also, hash symbol, right? So here I have included this hash symbol like here as I had given already before. But as that section is some other page, some other file, and the file name is internal.html, so here write down in the file name also before that, after double quote, internal.html. This is how you can give internal link, internal hyperlink, right, of some section of some other document. So internal.html hash green, the name of the section. That's it. Save it. Save it. And now I just want to check once again that what is the section name on that page. Video powerful. Okay, here the section, here it is. Section name is green. G is small. So in that document also make G small. G is small. So in the document also make this G small. That is mandatory. Now check this. Go to internal one. Open with IE. Then go here. Calling the green section of internal page file page hyperlink text. Here it is. See what happened, right? How it works, and it worked, right? So this is how internal linking works. So we have seen through whole this video creating internal linking, right, on the specific section of the same page, as well as creating internal linking of the specific section of the different page. So for creating internal linking, right, for the specific section of the different page, we need to include file name also along with that file's extension, and extension is here HTML, right, which we used. That's it for today class and lesson. So hope you enjoyed the session, right? So keep updating yourself, right? Few points still I need to clarify with you, that in my next video I will clarify it with you, right, before starting table, right? So hope you enjoyed the session. So take good care of yourself, and thank you.